Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be unboxing a 24-inch iMac in blue color. I picked this up today for basically my eBay business. I run an eBay store out of my attic here. As you can see, I use a lot of shipping supplies, and this new 24-inch iMac is going to be replacing the 27-inch that I've had for nearly 10 years now. This is a 2013 and it is still running, but it's starting to show its age, and it can't update it anymore. It's stuck on Catalina, but so I thought it was a good time for an upgrade. I don't really need anything super fancy for up here, just to run eBay and to do some minor work here and there. This is the base model, so nothing, I didn't do any add-ons to this. I picked it up locally at Best Buy, and it's the blue color. So yeah, let's get to the unboxing. Gonna move the box over here on the floor so I'll have a little more room for unboxing. First, I'm gonna peel the tape back, the seal. See which way this opens here. I think it's gonna go this way. Okay, yeah. It says hello. Very nice packaging. Apple always has excellent packaging. It's like they have a separate design team just for that. So. Wow, that is very light. Much lighter than the 27-inch iMac. Also in the box, I guess we have the keyboard and mouse and power cable, I'm assuming. Yep, we have power cable. Looks like the other half of the power cable. A mouse, which should be blue as well. I like this blue, it's like a silvery blue. And the keyboard. Oh, it also comes with a lightning cable that's blue as well, and it's braided. This is the basic keyboard. As you can see, there's no Touch ID, which isn't a huge deal. I might grab the number pad keyboard with Touch ID down the road. So yeah. And last but not least is this little packet with the Apple sticker, which is also blue, and a little pamphlet of information telling you about the ports and that. And that is it. And here's the final setup after it's all said and done. I decided to raise it up a little bit. I have two monitor risers on top of each other there, as you can see, and this tray in front of it to hold the keyboard and mouse. And it's perfect height for me to use as like a standing desk. I usually stand here and work more than I sit. I mean, I still have my chair here, and so I just prefer to stand because I'm usually on the computer, and then I run back over here to my photo table, or I'm working on my main table here. It's not, I don't know, I just prefer to stand so I'm not up and down. But yeah, the computer's great. I'm super happy with it. It's the M1 2021 iMac in blue. It's the base model. 8 gigabytes of memory. I think 256 gigabytes of storage. So drop a like down below, subscribe if you enjoy this kind of content. I hope to be posting more videos soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.